Welcome students. The title of the paper is Classical Taxonomy and Phylogeny. The unit is Morphology of Angiosperms and the name of the module is Leaf, Margin, Apex and Surface Texture. Module number 11. I am Dr. Janet Vaz Mascarenhas from Carmel College, Nuvem. In this module, variations in three features of the leaf are considered in regard to its margin, apex and surface texture. At the end of this module, the students will be able to describe the variations in the appearance of the leaf in regard to its margin, apex and surface texture by citing suitable plant examples. Before we begin with the topic, let us first understand the parts of a leaf. A leaf is typically differentiated into a petiole and the leaf blade or lamina. Petiole is the stalk that connects the leaf to the stem of the plant, while leaf blade or lamina is the outermost flat part of the leaf, which is normally green in color. Midrib is the central vein of the leaf, usually running from the stem to the apex. Margin is the outermost boundary area extending along the edge of the leaf, while the anterior tip of the leaf is termed as the apex. Now from this we will be studying the three features: margin, apex and surface texture. Now leaf surface texture refers to the external surface area of the lamina and the petiole. Now let us begin with the first topic, leaf margin. So what is the leaf margin? It is the outermost boundary area extending along the edge of the lamina. It shows many variations and these variations are important for plant identification. Some of the common type of leaf margins which we will be studying in this module are entire, wavy, serrate, dentate and crenate. When the leaf margin is smooth with neither teeth nor lobes, it is termed as entire, as seen in mango, which has neither teeth nor is it divided into lobes. When the leaf margin is winding gradually up and down, it is termed as wavy. An example is polyalthia leaves. When the leaf margin shows the presence of sharp teeth which are pointing upwards towards the apex, it is termed as serrate, as seen in rose plants. When the leaf margin shows the presence of sharp teeth pointing outwards, it is termed as dentate. Now this dentate leaf margin is different from the serrate one, since here the teeth are pointing outwards while in the previous case they were pointing upwards towards the apex. An example of dentate leaf margin is water lily. While in Bryophyllum, the leaf margin shows low rounded or blunt teeth. This type of leaf margin is termed as crenate. Now coming to the next topic is leaf apex. So what is the leaf apex? The anterior tip of the lamina is termed as the leaf apex. It may be of various shapes and based on its shape, various terms are used to describe it. For example, acute, obtuse and acuminate. When the leaf apex is narrow and pointed, it is termed as acute, as seen in mango. When the leaf apex is blunt or broad angled, as in banyan leaves, it is termed as obtuse. When the leaf apex is drawn out into a tapering tail, it is termed as acuminate. Example, Thespecia. The last topic is leaf surface texture. As I mentioned earlier, leaf surface texture refers to the external surface area of the leaf lamina and the petiole. Now this external surface area may show variation due to the presence or absence of certain structures such as hair, glands, etc. Now based on the presence or absence of these structures, various terms are used to describe it. For example, the leaf may be termed as glabrous, glaucous, glandular, gland-dotted and pubescent. When the leaf surface is smooth without any hair, it is termed as glabrous. Example, mango. When the leaf surface is shiny and covered with waxy coating, it is termed as glaucous. Example, calotropis. Another example is lotus, which also shows the presence of wax on its leaves. When the leaf surface shows the presence of glands, it is termed as glandular. For example, in wild cherry, extrafloral nectaries are present on the leaf. In citrus plants, the leaves bear small oil glands which appear as dots. Such leaf surfaces are termed as gland-dotted. When the leaf surface is covered with soft short hairs, it is termed as pubescent, as seen in Solanum genus. Example, tomato, potato and brinjal. Now we can summarize what we have already studied. The first part we have studied is leaf margin. So under this, the different parts which we have studied are entire, example is mango, wavy, example polyalthea, serrate, example rose, dentate, example water lily and crenate, example is bryophyllum. The next thing which we studied is leaf apex. In this we studied the three types: acute, that is seen in mango, obtuse, which is seen in banyan, and acuminate, example Thespesia. And in the last topic, that is leaf surface texture, the different types which we have studied are glabrous, glaucous, glandular, gland-dotted and pubescent. Example for glabrous is mango, glaucous calotropis, glandular is cherry, gland-dotted lemon, and for pubescent it is Solanum genus. Now these are the books which I have referred to, that is Taxonomy of Angiosperms by Pandey and Misra, and and the second book is Plant Systematics, Theory and Practice, 3rd edition by Gurcharan Singh. Thank you.